In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the walking and running distance to miles or kilometres. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy the video. First, you want to go into the Health app, then Browse, then you want to tap Activity, then you want to go down to Walking and Running Distance. Then you want to go down to the bottom and tap Unit. Then you have got a choice to have it in kilometres or miles. I'm going to have it in kilometres. Then when you are finished in here, tap back. Then when you go up to the top, it will be in kilometres or miles, whichever one you selected. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.